Hi guys, in this video we will learn about the CSS Box Model. And what is the box model? Box model is one of the most important concepts in CSS. Every element on a web page is treated like a box, whether it is text, an image, or a button. It's part of the HTML elements code. So we have to understand the four parts of the box model. First, we have the content. This is the actual text or image inside the element. And the content is in the center. Next, we have the pairing. This is the space around the content, inside the box. Next, we have the border. This goes around the padding. It can have a color, width, and a style. And finally, we have the margin. This is the space outside the box, separating it from other elements. Here we have picture that explains these topics. In this video, we aren't going to see code because these topics are theoretical. So it's better to explain you these topics with pictures. And why it is important? Understanding the box model helps you control spacing and layout. And if something looks too tight or too far, it's usually because of padding or merging. Now you understand how every element is really a box, and how padding, borders, and margins control the space around it. In the next video, we will look at how elements behave with display type. See you there!